Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can store information you want to set as the default values when you create a new employee record within the employee defaults in the employees list. After setting default employee values, when you later add a new employee, QuickBooks will automatically fill in the default information from the employee defaults, so you won't need to re-enter it. All you need to do is enter employee-specific information. You can access the employee defaults, which appear within the Employee Center, by selecting Employees Employee Center from the menu bar. Then click the Manage Employee Information button that appears in the toolbar at the top of the Employee Center window and select the Change New Employee Default Settings command. In the Employee Defaults window, enter any information you want to have appear by default whenever you create a new employee record. You can also set default tax information or default sick and vacation time information by clicking either the Taxes or the Sick/Vacation buttons to set default values for those categories in the separate Taxes Defaults and Sick and Vacation Defaults dialog boxes that then appear. After you have finished setting all your employee defaults, click the OK button to save them.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.